The spirit bun does not have to start with a French braid, but I have found that the French braid provides some good stability for the hair sticks. So when I have the energy for it, I do like to start the spirit bun that way. This is a very special bun to me. It was one that I didn't think I would ever be able to do because my hair would have to be so long for it to work. And the first day that I was able to actually wrap my hair all the way around this figure 8, I was like, wow, I know now that my hair is actually long. So it's like the marker for me of like, my hair is long. I can do the spirit bun. Now, don't be afraid when you get to the end here to borrow a little bit of hair from another section to make your sections even so you can braid down further. It will not show. It won't matter at all. So you usually use hair sticks for this. I'm using flexies because honestly I couldn't find my hair sticks. The flexi can be a little tricky with this because it'll try to pop out because it doesn't really have anything that it's holding on to other than the flat part of the braid, if that makes any sense. So you're twisting it around, again in a figure 8, underneath the sides of the hair stick, or in this case, flexi. So you wrap it as many times as you can in this figure 8 and then around the outside to pin it. And this is called the spirit bun simply because it was invented by someone with a username of spirit or spirit related on the long hair community forum. So she got to have it named after her. And here it is. One of the tricky parts is getting the hair sticks to stay parallel as you wrap, so always double check on that.